Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn about variables. So variables are the named memory locations created in the main memory of a computer to store data. These locations are created and identified by the user name given during program execution. Values are stored and processed using variables to produce the desired results. So variables, here we understand that variables are the memory locations which are used to store data, and they are further used during the program execution. Now, next topic is the rules for naming variables. So what are the rules for naming variables? Let's learn. So variable name should always be meaningful. For example, if it is related to the class, so its initial should be class. Variables names can be of any length. Variables names can have alphanumeric characters like A to Z capitals 0 to 9 and underscore. Variable names must begin with a letter or underscore. Means its name should begin with a letter or underscore. Variables names are case sensitive. If you are writing variable with small letter and same name with the small letters, the programming language will identify them different names. For example, this small letter total and capital letters total are not the same. Always remember that variable names should not contain keywords such as else, print, if, etc., because these are used in programs for else if functions. Some examples of valid and invalid variables names are given below. So here is the table. With this help of this table, we can understand the invalid and valid variable names. So if you want to write total cell variable name, you cannot give any space between the two words. You have to write untotal underscore cell. If you write the class, it is invalid variable name. Class underscore stu, for student you can write down stu. This is an valid variable name. One spacebar name is an invalid variable name. You can write name underscore 1 as valid variable name. Let's learn how to assign values to a variable. So here are explanation and then example. So values are assigned to a variable using equals to sign. For example, a equals to 10. Here a is variable and 10 is constant. Here 10 is assigned as a value to a variable. Some more examples are given here. X is variable here and 5 is constant, or we can say value. Y is variable here and John is variable, is constant, or we can say value. The value can be alphanumeric, value can be alphabet, and value can be number. We have to assign these values into the memory location, that is variable. Thank you.